Look at there. Good as new. Actually, dare I say it's better than new. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me. Today, we're going to see, can JB Weld fix a CP4 pump? Follow along. We'll see. I bet we can make it better than new. Contact! First thing you want to do, get yourself a really clean surface to work on and a chair to sit in and a dog to keep you company. And brake clean. Just clean everything. Make sure you clean all up inside there. Make everything clean. And then do it again. Make it all clean. Now this part that's cracked up here, we're not going to worry too much about that. And dump it out. That's clean enough. And we'll go ahead and, this thing's supposed to go up in there, so we'll need something to get that up in there. One thing to remember is if we break it yet more, it's not a big deal. You can just JB Weld some more. So let's see. We might actually have to turn this pump just a little bit so we can get the roller off. So just grab this thing right on the threads there. Just turn it over. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Just like that. Now you turn this thing back. Make sure you go right on the threads. Get that thing, jam that thing in there. Make sure you hit that. Get that thing to wedge in there so it doesn't fall out. Then get all your pieces here. Oh, clean this. Make sure you gotta have all your surfaces shiny clean, free of any fuel and oil. Wave it around, make sure it's all like dried up. Oh, gloves, make sure you have gloves on. See, then this here is gonna go right here, just like that. And then there's a piece that's, this piece, there's a piece that broke out of here. I can't get that in right, so we're just gonna fill that up with some of our JB Weld here. So make sure you get this thing put together tightly, just like that. Actually, this goes here, so I might be able to do that after all. Oh yeah, perfect. It doesn't have to look really good. You know, just like that. Now, bring this over here. And I like to get the JB Quick so it's quicker. You got yourself a little stirrer here, mixer. And we'll just put a little bit out here. Make sure you got plenty. Close this up. And then you stir everything together. Make sure that this is all mixed together correctly. Make sure you get the right amount of hardener and everything. This should be a gray tint to it. And we'll have to do this pretty quickly because with all the oil and everything off of there, this is going to set up fairly quickly. JB Quick will set up quick. Quick. JB Quick. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Okay. Alright. So then we're going to get this thing in here like this. Now I want to make sure that we get everything all across here. Get all this sealed up here. And all the cracks sealed up. We don't want any open exposed cracks here because fuel runs through here. Make sure that we get all this filled in here. You know what, we're going to go ahead and just fill in that crack right there too while we're here anyway. We probably have a little bit of a leak there. Okay, now there's chunks missing here, so just, you know, JB Weld here, we're going to just fill that all in. Don't worry about the nameplate there. We'll make it better by covering all that up. And we'll get this. Oh, we got some pieces that want to move on us. Okay, no problem. Just go ahead and go right on across everything there. I'd sit in my chair, but I got my dog behind me. He took my seat. How dare him. So I'll throw my back out. Just do this. So I wouldn't worry too much about the there's a port here for our fuel temperature sensor. I wouldn't worry too much about that. We can drill and tap that. So let's just go ahead and close this up here. Make sure that it's all sealed off. And oh, we got some right there. So let's go ahead and bring that around here. Nope, better clean that off of there. I don't have a tap to clean that. So we're gonna need to get all this. And this will set up and start setting up in 6 minutes. So you want to do this as quick as possible. And you know, you can grind around on JB Weld, so I wouldn't worry too much about making it look good at this point. Just get her all JB welded back together and be good to go. Yeah. Put a thick layer on there. I mean, we're dealing with 20,000 pounds of pressure. So, oh, we got a little crack right there. So we want that sealed off there too. So yeah, just set that right there then. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Oh, we got a little crack over here. Let's make sure we get this filled in here. Like I said, don't want to have any leaks. Always grind some off rather than adding some later. So look at there. Good as new. Actually, dare I say it's better than new. I think I'll say it's better than new. Oh, I just stuck my finger in it. Oh well, no big deal. And I say it's better than new because these frickin' things were junk from the beginning. We had a good system when we had a CP3, so why not change it up so we can now cost the customer $12,000 every 150,000 miles because it wiped out the injectors and the pump and everything. So yeah, in my opinion, these things are junk. And we have made it better than new. And if you haven't figured out that this is satire, sorry for your luck. Thanks for watching. Now, after you're done this thing's all set up, take this and put it right where it belongs. Trash.